Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we make your next purchase decision easier. Today we're checking out the Kenmore CU7005 Litening 24-volt Cordless Upright Vacuum. This model promises powerful suction, a tangle-free experience with its Hair Eliminator Nozzle, and some serious runtime, all while tackling multiple floor types. Let's see if it really delivers on those claims and if it's the right fit for your cleaning needs. The Kenmore CU7005 comes packed with features designed to make your cleaning routine simpler and more efficient. At the heart of this vacuum is its 24-volt brushless motor, offering up to 4 times the suction power of your average cordless stick vacuum. This is a significant jump in cleaning performance, and the motor delivers smooth, consistent suction. The Hair Eliminator Nozzle is another standout feature. Its unique design ensures that hair won't get tangled around the brush roll, which is a game changer for pet owners or anyone dealing with long hair. The lift-up technology lets you easily transition from floor cleaning to stairs or above-floor surfaces without the hassle of heavy lifting. And with 2 included batteries, you get up to 80 minutes of runtime, enough to clean your entire home without worrying about charging. The filtration system in this model is also top-notch. Equipped with HEPA filtration, it captures 99.97% of dust and pet dander. This makes it a great option for allergy sufferers, as it ensures that allergens are trapped inside the vacuum, rather than recirculated into the air. The dustbin has a decent capacity, but it does need to be emptied regularly to maintain optimal suction. In terms of real-world use, I found the Kenmore CU7005 easy to assemble and start using. The cordless design makes it super convenient for quick cleaning sessions around the house, and the 80-minute battery life means you won't be interrupted mid-clean. The suction power really comes through on both carpets and hard floors. I tested it on fine rust, crumbs, and embedded dirt in carpets, and it performed exceptionally well, picking up debris without losing suction. The Hair Eliminator Nozzle lived up to its name, making pet hair removal a breeze without the usual tangles. For stairs and upholstery, the lift-up feature made cleaning so much easier. You can detach the body of the vacuum from the floor head, making it lightweight and maneuverable for those tougher spots. The attachments, including the upholstery tool, are very practical for car interiors and furniture. One area where the Kenmore CU7005 might not shine as brightly is its handling of long hair. While the Hair Eliminator Nozzle helps prevent tangling, if there's a lot of hair buildup, you'll still need to clean the brush roll regularly. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this vacuum excels in suction power, especially for a cordless model. It's impressive how much power you get compared to other stick vacuums, and the additional features like lift-up technology and the Hair Eliminator Nozzle are real game changers for households with pets or a lot of hair. The 2 batteries and long runtime make this a solid pick for those who want to clean their entire home in one go. The HEPA filter is a great touch for anyone dealing with allergies, ensuring cleaner air while you clean. On the flip side, the vacuum isn't perfect. While it's lightweight, it can still feel a bit bulky when using it for extended periods, especially when detaching for above-floor cleaning. The bin is a bit on the smaller side, so you might need to empty it more frequently than you'd like. The brush roll can still get a bit clogged if there's heavy hair buildup, despite the Hair Eliminator feature. Also, it's not the quietest vacuum on the market. While it's not unbearable, the noise level could be a factor if you're sensitive to sound during cleaning. In terms of value for money, the Kenmore CU7005 is in a competitive price range for cordless vacuums, offering strong suction power and advanced features. When compared to similar models, such as the Shark IZ163H Vertex or Dyson V8, it holds its own, particularly with its 80-minute runtime and the additional battery. However, the Dyson V8 offers slightly more lightweight maneuverability, while the Shark model provides a comparable cleaning performance, though it doesn't come with a HEPA filter. If you're someone who needs a reliable vacuum for pet hair and allergy concerns, the Kenmore CU7005 provides solid performance at a slightly more affordable price point. When compared to other vacuums in this price range, The Kenmore CU7005 stands out in a few key areas. Its suction power is significantly better than most cordless vacuums, especially when dealing with embedded dirt and debris. Its runtime is another major advantage. It's hard to find another cordless vacuum with this level of battery life. However, if you're looking for a more compact design or something ultra quiet, this might not be the best fit. As for build quality, Kenmore has done a great job here. The materials feel sturdy, and the design doesn't feel flimsy, which is a nice change from some cheaper vacuums. Maintenance is straightforward too. The brush roll cleaning is relatively easy, and the dustbin empties without much hassle. Filter replacements are simple as well, with the model coming with a replacement HEPA filter kit available for purchase. Over time, you can expect the Kenmore CU7005 to hold up well with proper care. Customer support is generally solid for Kenmore, with many users reporting quick response times and effective solutions if issues arise. This model doesn't seem to have any widespread reliability issues, but like all vacuums, regular cleaning and maintenance will help it last longer. When it comes to longevity, there's not much in terms of long-term data for this exact model yet. However, based on Kenmore's reputation and the quality of construction, it's reasonable to expect this vacuum to last several years if properly maintained. The brushless motor should also help prevent the usual wear and tear that can come with older, more traditional motors. In conclusion, the Kenmore CU7005 Litening 24-volt cordless upright vacuum is a great option for anyone who needs a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use vacuum, especially if you're dealing with pet hair or allergies. Its 80-minute runtime, strong suction, and advanced filtration system make it stand out in the crowded cordless vacuum market. It's not perfect. Some users may find it a bit bulky or noisy, but for the price, it's hard to beat the value it offers. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around performer that can handle carpets, hard floors, stairs, and upholstery with ease, this could be the vacuum for you. Before I wrap things up, if you're enjoying this review, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay up to date with all our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you're looking for the perfect cleaning companion, sometimes it's all about finding the right fit. The link to grab the Kenmore CU7005 is in the comments box below. Got any questions or experiences with this vacuum? Drop a comment, let's chat. Until next time, goodbye, and don't let the dust get you down.